Hello, welcome to TP Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to create a professional and visually appealing organization chart in Excel. Here, we have the structure mentioned in the tabular format by level wise. Go to Insert tab in the Excel ribbon, click on Smart Art and choose the Hierarchy category. Select the organization chart layout that best suits your needs. Copy all the rows from the adjacent table, and in the Smart Art text pane, select all and paste the copied rows here. Immediately, you will see that all the names in the same level. Now, as per the levels that we have, we need to arrange the hierarchical structure. Say, go to COO and press tab so that COO goes under CEO. Next, select VP Customer Services to VP Delivery, and then press tab 2 times so that these go into level 3, that is under COO. Next, select PMO and press tab 3 times so that it goes under VP Delivery like this. Similarly, press tab by selecting the CHRO for moving into level 2. Repeat this process to arrange the hierarchical structure. You can also add additional levels and rearrange the shapes to match your organization structure. For say, if I need to add manager under treasury, I need to go to the VP treasury and press enter and then tab like this. To make the organization chart visually appealing, use the formatting options available in Excel. Customize the colors, styles and fonts to match your organization's branding. Resize and position the organization chart on your worksheet as desired. You can also adjust the layout and style options using the Smart Art Design tab. If you want to use the organization chart outside of Excel, consider copying and pasting it into other documents or presentations. So, this is the final result. You have learned how to create an organization chart in Excel using the Smart Art feature. Organization charts are a powerful tool for visualizing and communicating the hierarchical structure within the company or the team. I hope you enjoyed this method of creating the organization chart in Excel. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more interesting tutorials.